Hello guys, got here the Silverado with its new tip exhaust with the resonator delete, and we put the Carven Type R muffler. I'll be doing a cold start just so y'all can hear how it looks. It sounds good, deep and good. So that's it guys, that's how it sounds. Sounds a little deep. When you press the gas, it sounds even better. I'll be posting up a video of revving it soon, hitting the gas, that way I can hear it, and doing some pulls on it. But that's it, that's the muffler delete, resonator delete, Carven Type R muffler.